This is Channel 2 News, coverage you can count on.
It's a very sweet process, and because, you know, drug dealers, they have no respect for our community. They make a tremendous amount of money on the back of our community.
Washoe County is fighting drug abuse using money seized during drug busts. And that is tonight's Channel 2 News big story at 5:30. The Washoe County District Attorney gave Join Together Northern Nevada about $10,000 earlier this week. Good evening, I'm Landon Miller.
I'm Kristen Remington. Thanks for keeping it here tonight. And that money comes from drug dealers themselves. Zach Mooney joins us live in the newsroom with a closer look at the program. Zach, what will this money pay for, first off?
Well, JTNN says it will most likely go into community training. And that way, law enforcement, healthcare professionals, and the community understands each other's points of view better.
We try to, when we create trainings, make it a well-rounded group of presenters as well as people in the room. So you have just this really variety of people from our community.
Join Together Northern Nevada is working toward creating a drug-free community, bringing groups with different perspectives together to best deal with drug abusers.
So an officer understands where a physician is coming from and just understands maybe a drug of addiction better. And physicians the same way, they're understanding then the law enforcement perspective of, okay, I'm prescribing something that could potentially lead to a criminal activity.
Now JTNN has an extra $10,000 in its budget. The money comes from the Washoe County's Drug Forfeiture Fund.
When we can disrupt the money they're gaining, that's sweet enough. But then when we can turn around and give it to an incredible organization like JTNN, it just makes it that much better.
District Attorney Chris Hicks presented the money at a JTNN training earlier this week. It was a town hall meeting on prescription drug abuse. JTNN says that money will likely go into more training like the town hall. They say hosting events with different perspectives can get pricey.
Some people are from out of state. You want to find the best people to bring them in and possibly talk about something new.
The money will also help programs educating kids to prevent them from growing up to become users. The DA says most serious crimes he sees involve drugs in some way.
And so if we can reduce the amount of people that are using drugs or buying drugs in our community, presumably we can lower the entire crime rate, and that's important.
And finally, JTNN suggests parents start talking with their kids about drugs before middle school. For information and resources, you can call or visit their website. Now we've set up a link for you. Just head to KTVN.com and click on that blue News Links button. Covering the story live in the newsroom, Zach Mooney, Channel 2 News.